Hey, game changers! Welcome to another edition of my weekly live stream. Just like the last 2 weeks, I am going to be live day trading today as well, and it has been very educational for me, and hopefully for you as well. And basically, sometimes when I trade live, and I have to explain, and that actually teaches me a lot about trading. And I have to give you a reason, and I have to give myself a reason as well. So today, I got a lot of tickers right here that I think is going to be very interesting. So I got an MRM, I got a QQQ, Apple. Apple is going to have their iPhone 13 tomorrow. And I got a KO, something very new, very interesting, Facebook, Tesla, and Amazon. And perhaps I'm going to be looking at NIO, and the BlackBerry, and the General Motors as well. Because for NIO, confirmed the launch of a new 75 kilowatt hybrid cell battery pack with a longer range in cold weather and an accurate state of charge estimation. And the delivery is expected to start in November. So it's very exciting news for NIO. So that's why NIO right now, pre-market, it hasn't been trading a lot, but the news is quite interesting. So that's that one. And also, at the same time, that I'm sure you guys have been hearing a lot about this Evergrande fiasco. It's something that I see news from all of the major channels and all of these major outlets, and everybody's talking about it. And hey, Charlotte, how are you doing? You are always here. The first, I thank you for that. That's great. And so like I said, this Evergrande thing, I think it's going to end very badly. It's going to end very badly. Excuse me, because my eyes are a little itchy. Because I think they overdid it. For the first 1 or 2 decades, for the first 20 years, or even 30 years for that matter. I think they started in 1999. It was very lucrative, and everything was fine, and the growth rate of China was massive and very rapid, and these are property developers. Property accounts for 25% of China's GDP, so that's a huge number, and I think. They are going to default very likely, and I think very likely that Evergrande is going to collapse. And personally, I think after a while, right now, the Chinese government, they might not do anything at this moment, but they will. I think they will intervene. They will take actions after they don't want a wide spread of this tumor. They don't want a contagion risk, and people are asking if it's systemic. I don't think so, and I don't think it's a problem within just one company. I think it's more like a structural. It's a structure. The problem is in the structure, and I believe that the Chinese government, they are going to use this as an example and fix it. And and in addition, remember, like on September the 2nd, that President Xi said that they want this common prosperity. So this new policy is going to play very importantly here, where he wants homes to be affordable for common folks. And right now, I think Evergrande's stock traded on Hong Kong Exchange, 333343s, and I think it's going to go to zero. That's my prediction, and we shall see how long it will take. Nobody knows, but I'm not very optimistic about the current situation. So I think it's going to end very badly for Evergrande. That's that. All right, now we still have about 10 minutes, and like I said, I have some tickers right here, and I think that's going to be very interesting for us to look at. So right here, let's take a quick look at MRM pre-market, shall we? Alrighty, let's look at MRM pre-market right here. Right there, it's going to open very high. Yeah, nothing yesterday, and I believe this is a new stock, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Mediron Healthcare Technology. It's traded on Nasdaq, and this is something very new. And yesterday, I think it started trading yesterday, but not too much, is it? Let me see. Oh no, it's not really new. My bad. But nothing traded much yesterday, and right now we see a lot of action. Yeah, by the way, yeah. Actually, I got a better USB cable right here, as you can see. So when I move my mic right now, I wouldn't lose connection like last time, because this one actually goes in completely. So this is very convenient for me, and I like the color too. Looks good right here. I put a little bit of tape on it. Yeah. So right now, it's traded a lot pre-market. If you see right here, now it's going to open 100% higher. Woo, that's something really hot. I'm very excited for this one. I'm very, very excited. Yeah. So this one is going to be on my list. Yeah. House will never be affordable for everyone. Why? Well, I guess in a sense you are not everyone, but yeah. But the thing is that, do you guys know what's the percentage of homeowners in China? I think it's more than 90%, according to National Biotechnology Information. Yeah, because I did a research, because I did a video on this Evergrande thing. I have my sources for there. I think more than 90% of Chinese are homeowners. So, yeah, for them, investing in properties, that's more popular than stocks and bonds, and it has been like this for decades. So that's why they're interested. Because they think it's something that has value, and that you always have a home, and a home is very important for Chinese people. You know, it's very important to me. So yeah, that's that thing. And affordable, I guess affordable, you really have to define affordable, because there are, of course, if it's in like Beijing or Shanghai or Shenzhen, these crazy places, it's gonna be very expensive. But I hope somebody like, regular folks, they're going to have like, maybe like just regular 3 beds or 2 beds. 3 beds, 2 beds, and 2 bathrooms, and maybe 1 living room and 1 family room, something regular like that. And it doesn't have to be fancy, just something very modest. So I think it could be affordable, and depends on location. I think that's what that is. So that's Evergrande, and let's go back to MRM. So this is something that's going to be very interesting. And the next one I'm going to look at is IWM. Guys, check it out. IWM traded higher in the pre-market, but unless it goes above this 2023 level, I'm not going to touch it. And of course, right now it looks like it's going to trade down right here, but I'm going to wait. And if it opens with lots of volume, I might take a short position. And we shall see. But IWM, that's my strategy for now. Yeah, and then let's look at the next one. QQQ. Oh, now it was trading a little bit higher. Whoa, this wick is insane. Yeah, this is 5 minutes. Maybe I should go back to change it back to. Let's try it. Let's look at it 2 minutes with it. Yes, this is a little bit easier for day traders, obviously, right here. Yeah, so this wick is insane. It's like Pretty crazy. And right now, it kind of sort of went back all the way to this 370. My intuition tells me that I'm going to go long on this just because that it tried to rally pre-market and sort of giving me this pretty solid support at 370. So my strategy would be if it goes back to 370, I might, and I'm also going to look at the volume. I might take a long position. We shall see. And also, I want to look at SPY for now. Let's look at SPY. Excuse me. Sorry. Just want to see. Yeah, I try to make it higher. So it looks like this Evergrande thing isn't making as much of a fuss as everybody thought. Yeah, QQQ. Yeah, QQQ is ETF. Charlotte. QQQ is yep. Do you have any questions about QQQ? It's Invesco QQQ Trust series. Yeah. It's an ETF. It has 13.4% Apple, and the 10% Microsoft, and the 10% Amazon. So these are the biggest three. Yep, and it's quite interesting. So now let's look at something else. Alrighty. If you guys think the music is too loud or my voice is not loud enough, please let me know kindly. Okay. But I think after I change to this like new USB, and I think it's great. So one day I might use this XLR outlet. You know, I'm coughing. Drink hot water. I do have some hot water right there. You know. But thank you. You know, yes. Welcome to my live stream. Yeah, so I'm going to be day trading today. So that's that. Alrighty. Let's look at some other tickers right here. I am coughing a little bit. And the Apple, it's CRM is going to be very interesting later. Okay, CRM traded higher, but now it's sort of like going down a little bit. We shall see. But the CRM and the MRM, they are going to be very interesting. CRM, look at this volume right here. 2 minutes. We're gonna start. We're gonna start very soon. Okay. So CRM, now Facebook and CRM. I'm going to look at a Facebook and a CRM, just because of there's a lot of tweets going on, because I have a tweet scanner as well, and of course I have a volume scanner, and they are both, basic cross-reference, and both of them are high. So both of them are high. So obviously I'm going to be looking at these. All right, we still have 1 minute. So Facebook, it's going to be very, very volatile, I think, when it opens. All right, I'm going to look at this one and the CRM. CRM and Facebook are going to be on my list. Let's look at it. Alrighty. Okay, now you can see the time as well. Just want to make sure you have the time and everything. Or CRM, let me see. Okay, less than 40. Let me see. This is what? How much? 1%. 1%. Okay, I can take that. Just looking at my risk, just because 1%, like $200. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to long this one, and possibly I'm going to long Facebook as well. Let's see, Facebook. No, I might not want to long this, because right now you're trying to go above that VWAP right there, but I see it's struggling. It's a sort of struggling a little bit. So. Yeah, but we shall see when it opens. Usually I want to wait for like a minute or two, sometimes even 4 minutes, just to make sure that I get my direction confirmed. And sometimes even that, but CRM, I would say, let me just get in on this one. Okay, I'm going to long on CRM and see how it goes. Okay, buyers coming in, sellers, it's not making a new high. It's not making a new high, but that's okay. That's okay. That's all right. Let's see if it's got rejected, but that's okay. This is like a small position, And I think I can take it. Gotta reject it. But it's all right. I can average in a little bit if I want to. Let's look at a Facebook for now. Okay, let's look at Facebook. TLT is another one. TLT. I'm gonna wait for a little bit with this CRM and let it go. Okay, TLT. Let me see. Okay, now, all right, it's going back to this VWAP. It's going back to this VWAP right there. And thinking about longing this. Let's see if this worth it. I'm still having my pre-market data right here with me. Yeah, so vitamin C, you guys, haha, sure thing. ROM helps, alrighty. Okay, CRM is going. Okay, great, CRM is going. I've told you guys, I am the king. I told you, give it a little bit of room. It's going to rally. But if it doesn't, I'm going to get out because these momentum, they should go immediately. If it doesn't go as I planned, I am out. If it doesn't go as I planned, I am out. I'm not sitting in some this kind of thing that doesn't give me momentum. If momentum is there, it should be there. It's coming back down. That's something I don't want to see because momentum should be when it opens. It should be right there. And I'm losing faith for now. I'm in the money. As you can see right there. 20 bips, 10 bips right now. It's sort of coming back, but buyers are still trying to push this higher. If it doesn't go, I'm going to get out. I'm not going to wait, guys. I'm not going to wait, but I'm still waiting, right? Okay, I'm not going to wait. I'm getting out. It's here we go. A few cents. Like I said, I'm gonna wait for a little bit. After that, now I'm losing confidence. What's the reason right here, right? Obviously, you see, now it's trading down. Can it go back because right now it's trading on VWAP? Yes, but that's not my plan. My plan was it's still trading on this VWAP. It might still go up, but my plan was that if buyers want to come in, they're going to move with this volume, with this very bullish candle right there, and this is just not worth it because it didn't go. I'm going to stop, and right now I made 15 bips. That's great, guys. To make a living on what I do, I only have to make 20 bips every day, and I'm done. That's the thing. I'm done for the year. Well, 20 bips every day for 350 trading days, though. So that you see that now it's not making that. I don't want to short it because I don't want to go against the train. But as you can see right there, that was a great decision, wasn't it? It's trading down, but I still don't want to go. Should I short this? Maybe I should short it, right? I'm not really sure though. I'm not really sure if I want to short this. Okay, now let's look at CRM, which is this one. Let's look at it. Facebook. Yeah, Facebook, it traded down. But right now, okay. Okay, let me open my studies. Here we go. Hold on. I'm gonna have my MACD. This is my MACD. Let me see. But maybe I don't need this. Let me get this one. Crossover right there. Okay, CRM still looks like something very interesting. CRM and the Facebook. MRM halted. Whoa, okay. Well, remember I told you in the beginning, this one looks interesting. I might want to go long on this when the halt ended. Oh, I forgot about this one. Jesus Christ. I talked about this before. And I forgot about it. God damn it. Okay, it's gonna halt for the next 10 minutes or so. Let's look at Lucid. Okay. Excuse me, AMD. I might want to short this. I might want to short this. Let's see. MRM is going to be interesting. Don't FOMO short. Why would I FOMO short? You know, for when you trade, when I trade at least, okay, when I trade, I only trade less than half of what I'm thinking. A lot of times I'm thinking about something, but I don't actually trade. I think about more. I only trade less than half of what I want to do. So that's usually my plan. Yeah. Here you go. AMD, I might want to short this actually, like just right on the VWAP right there. You know, I'm telling you exactly what I'm thinking right now, but I'm still waiting, of course, if that it's gonna break that, if it's gonna have a trend reversal. But I'm thinking about I might want to short on this. I'm gonna go short on this AMD trade. Ooh, well that's a bad price right there. That was an ugly price right there. I got very very disgusting price. 104.46. You know, okay, I'm gonna short on this. I'm gonna short over here and see how far it goes. But I'm gonna take some profit when it reaches this bottom right there, this $103.89. But you know, there's a chance that it might be it might go back to the VWAP. It might change a trend. But I'm thinking about I still want to take this short position for a while. And if I want to look at other things, I'm gonna give myself a trading stop right there. Obviously, because you guys know that I always have a trailing stop. 1% is still a little bit too much. 20 bips for this one, maybe. Let's see. Let's go 20 bips. Let's go 20 bips and see how it goes. 20 bips seems kind of a little bit too tight, right? Let's go with the 30 bips. You know, guys, look at me. You see the way I trade? You see the way I trade? You see? I'm telling you, right? I'm telling you, there's a reason why VWAP right there. I think because right now everything is going down. It's going down as a downtrend. So I think it's more probable that it's going to go down, and that the VWAP is my resistance. That's how I do it, guys. This is how I do it. And let me see. I got some news right here, and yeah. So so right now it's sort of working, but it's okay. If I lose money a little bit, that's fine. The price I got in was really, really bad. So, you know, different reasons. Every time when I trade, I have different reasons for there. For this AMD, the price I got in was not a good price, but I still wanna let me just loosen up a little bit on my 40 bips. I don't think so. I still want to give us a little bit more rope, but not that much. Let's go with 33, just a little bit above this wick right there. That seems about right there. Yeah, but right now, because it's not going as I planned, but it's sort of trading just right below this VWAP. So I'm thinking that I still have a chance, but it could go either way. Yeah. So right now, I don't really like the way that it's going. I'm getting out because I'm getting out. I'm just gonna lose a little bit, and I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out for sure because it's not working anymore. And right now that crossover, I'm not confident. And hopefully this is like a fake breakout and it's not going to rally anymore. So I'm short. Yeah, well, it's okay. I'm going to get out. A tiny loss right there. Very small loss right there. Very, very small loss. But that's fine. And right now, well, basically, I'm still in the green a little bit. That's okay. Yeah, but if I'm not careful, I'm going to be flat soon. All right, now let's look at some other stocks right there. Let's look at a plug. And perhaps you should go back to MRM right now. Okay, MRM. Yeah, I'm interested in this one. I'm interested in MRM. I'm gonna go hard on this one. I think I'm gonna go hard if it doesn't go down. But I'm gonna see momentum. Okay, momentum gets in. This is alright size. Let's see. This is an alright size. And let me see. This is an alright size. Okay, right now, 17.53. That's not a very good price. Now it's trading 40 cents down, but I'm still losing. But this is very volatile though, and I have a confidence that these kind of things, they're going to rally for a bit. But I'm a little bit scared it might not go, because right now it's trading very, very carefully, and I don't want to lose on this position because it's an all right size. Like I said, I'm a little bit nervous. I am nervous. How many tickets do I usually trade every day? It really depends. Depends if there are opportunities. Sometimes 1, sometimes 10, sometimes 20. It really depends if there are opportunities or not. It's not about how many tickets. It's about how many opportunities that I see. So I hopefully I answer your question. Yeah. So it's really not trying to make that new high. And if it crashes, then this might hurt a little bit. Yeah. So but I'm still okay. It's still within that my the limit that I can take. But it's not really making a new high, even though, well, today after the halt, I think people are a little bit scared. But when buyers, when they come in, I think it's going to make it. It's going to push it way higher. It's like, oh, sellers still trying to push this thing down. Come on, sellers, stop. Let the buyers go in. Let the buyers go in. I feel a little bit uncertain. It's going to trade down a little bit, and this is going to go bad, and buyers are still coming. Yeah, they're just fighting. I should have waited for a while. Longer, but right now it's no point to regret it anymore, right? So because I'm already in it, so I have to own it. Yeah, buyers, come on, push it. I'm very nervous for this one because this is a decent size right here. But where you go? Where will you go? Come on, buyers. Oh, this is insane, guys. This is insane. You have no idea. Now I'm in the green. A little bit. Yes. Oh, buyers. Come on, buyers. I told you guys, it's a decent size. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is how fast it crashes. Yeah, with these kind of stocks, you really have to be careful. People that are going to take profit. Oh, people that are taking profit. I'm not taking anything, but I want it to run. Let me see. Let's see. If it's a losing trade, it's a losing trade. There's nothing you can do about it. You just have to have faith. Just have to go where everybody is going, where the big players are going. But I cannot believe that people are taking profits right there. You know, actually, there should be more buyers, but right now it's not going. I'm losing a little bit of confidence. I'm losing a little bit of money, but right now, should I get out? I'm a little bit worried, guys. I'm a little bit worried right now. I don't want to wait anymore. But there's a VWAP right there, sort of. Yeah, it's still trading above the VWAP, so I think I still have a chance right there. The chance is not really high, but let me see if buyers. Yeah, buyers are still trying to come in. Guys, this is insane. This is insane. Whoa, that was beautiful. I should have taken a little bit profit right there, but I was a little bit. My hand froze. It was a little bit too. Oh, come on, VWAP. Do not trade below that VWAP. Right there. Oh God, they're going to break that VWAP. Let me see if buyers come in, and if it goes down further, I'm going to stop right here. If it goes down further, I'm going to stop right there, because it's something I feel a little bit uncomfortable now. But there's a chance that because it's trading right on the VWAP, that people that are going to buyers might buy back, and I might still have one more chance. If it trades through that VWAP, I'm out. Yes. Let me see if it's gonna go back up. Okay, if it's gonna go back up, come on. Yeah, let's see. The volume is dying as well. We have this volume right there. This is not looking very good, but I can still hold it. It's a decent size, but it's still something within my risk. I keep on repeating. As you can see, I'm pretty nervous about this trade, guys. Pretty nervous about this trade right there. A little bit nervous about this trade. It's going a little bit too long. But right now, VWAP, I think a lot of people, if they're thinking like what I'm thinking, people would want to buy on this VWAP right there. People would want to buy on this VWAP right there, guys. People definitely will want to buy on this VWAP right there, if that's what I'm thinking, if that's what everybody's thinking. So, but the problem is that how long will it rally? That's the question. Will it rally, or people that are taking profits because it opened 100% higher, which is something insane right there. Okay, I'm making back my money right now, but I think if I make some profit, I'm gonna take it. I think it's kind of like way too long. Yeah, and I feel like sellers, they're still trying to push this. Oh guys, this is not how I planned this, but the volume is picking up. You can see it right there. There's more volume. That's good news. There's more volume. That's good news. And I'm a little bit nervous. I'm still very nervous right there. Come on, make a new high. Come on, baby, make a new high right there. Make a new high. Make a new high right there. Make a new high. Yeah, maybe I want to get out, but I'm still thinking, should I? It's making a new high, but is it grinding higher? Sort of, there's a resistance right there, just right above where my profit point is. And if buyers come in, it's going to shoot this super high though. Yeah, but I sort of missed this opportunity right there. And it seems like sellers, they're coming in. God, guys, this is crazy. This is crazy. Should I wait or should I get out? Take a small loss and get out? Oh, wow. This is not good. The sellers coming in. It's not making, but buyers are still trying to push this back a bit. Oh, they're fighting. This is insane. I'm losing faith. I am losing faith. Come on. It's not making a new high. Oh. I really want to take this. Yeah, I don't think it's going to go as I planned. Because if the volume is there, it should be there, right? If it's not there, it's not there. But you never know when buyers they decide to come in sometimes. So that's the thing. If they want to push this higher, they want to push this higher. But yeah, the sellers and the buyers. Jesus Christ, my palms are sweaty. My palms are super sweaty right there. Okay, it's making above that $17. Okay, 18 cents. Okay, my price is $17.53. Unfortunately, I didn't take profit there. That's very unfortunate. Nobody knows something if it's gonna happen. Oh God, come on! I don't like that wick. Don't give me that wick. Do not give me that wick. I guess I can just take a small loss, and get out of this because it's not something that. But it's sort of making a new high, is it? It's sort of making a new high. Now you look at it, kind of Yeah, I don't like this anymore. Sort of grinding higher. Not that many buyers are coming in to get this one, guys. Let's see. Let's see if it goes. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I don't like this. People, they're losing faith. You see that? People are losing faith. Okay, I'm getting up. Just like everybody else. Yeah, sure. Losing faith on this one. It's okay. It's I'm in the red today. But that's fine. It's sort of very unfortunate. Whoa, thank God I got out right there. You see that when it goes below that VWAP right there, all of these, I should have taken profits for that, but it's okay. It happens. Let's look at Facebook right now, or SoFi. SoFi Technologies. It's sort of what is it? Oh, it's making a new low right there. And a lot of people are talking about it. I want to go short on this as well, actually. Let's go short on this and see how it goes. I might still go back to that MRN to see where my opportunities are. If it goes SoFi, I shorted it. Okay, sure. Let's give myself a trailing stop right there. 1% seems about okay at 1%, I think. MRM, still thinking about it. If there's a volume coming for MRM, but it's going to rip, it's going to rip. So I might want to keep a close eye on this. Okay, that's fine. Now let's look at an ATER. It's a short restricted. MRM. Oh, it's going lower. Maybe I can short this, can I? Maybe I can short this, can I? Should I short this? Will I find, like, you know, short positions? Now it's going down. Yeah, I might want to short this. I might want to short this, guys. Huh. And well, let me wait. Don't make trades based on emotion, because revenge trading, that's the worst. SoFi working so far so good. Okay. ACN. Okay, it's rallying. ACN. Vale. 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 Nothing going on. Not very interesting. AT&T. T. Okay. Trading just right about VWAP. Let's look at. I still looking at it. MR. Sometimes, you know, you can't let it go, right? Yeah, you keep on looking at it, but it's okay. It's okay. You know, you win some, you lose some. I was a little bit greedy. I should have taken profits right here when he gave me that new high right there when I was in the money. But that's okay. Okay, Lucid. Lucid seems like going down today. Lucid seems like going down. And I might want to short at $25 right there. Vale, still nothing. But there's a lot of volume. That's quite interesting. Okay, let's look at. Oh, I got taken now. Small loss. It's okay. Yeah, very small loss on SoFi. That's all right. Here you go. MU or NURO. Let's look at it. MU right there. But it's okay. I still have some room with my CRM. But right now, I'm in the red right now. But it's all right. And we can look at other stocks right there. There are a lot of opportunities. If you just look closely. AT&T. RNAZ. Oh, this one's rallying. $4. I might want to long this one. Might want to long this one. When maybe not chase it. Let's look at it. Usually, I don't trade anything that's less than $10. Usually, yeah. So I have to think about it. Excuse me. Have to think about it. Seems like it's still going, right? Okay, let's get in. Why not? RNAZ. Let's see. And I give myself a trailing stop. $1. That's okay. 1% is a little bit too much. Yeah, this one because too small. Maybe let's go at 10%. Right there. Trading stop. Yeah, you know, different prices of different stocks. You're gonna give yourself a different trailing stop. Just, you know, you have to make sure that it actually goes. RNAZ, that's all right. Let's see. There's a pullback. That's normal. Ear. Trading down right there. I might want to short this too. Probably use a short restricted. Let's try. Did I get it? I got it. All right. I got it. Good. Alrighty. Yeah, I want to short this. Even though it's moving very slowly. But I still want to short it. Give myself like $1 room. $1 seems about right, I think. Or 50 cents. Or even 50 cents. 50 cents sounds reasonable, right? Let's see. With ear. And let's look at a plug again. Plug, SoFi. Yeah, trading sideways. Facebook and the Robinhood is quite volatile today. Facebook is quite volatile as well. Robinhood is sort of volatile. I want to short Robinhood right now, actually. Why should I? Because there's this, you know, because this like crossover. There's this crossover, but if it goes above the VWAP, I want to long this. If not, if it continues coming down, I might want to short. Let's just give it a few more minutes and see. I might want to short this, even though without crossover right there. I might want to short it because that VWAP right there. You see this crossover. Okay. Very unsure about this. Yeah, I should have shorted it a little bit earlier, right? Don't you think so? Let's go short. Oh, wow, horrible price. Horrible price. A little bit earlier would be better. It gave me 17 instead of 28, and now it went back to 28. Yeah, let's try Robinhood. Oh, this one's a decent size as well. Both of them are. And also, ear was, SoFi was small. Robinhood is pretty decent. I want to go short on this. Yeah, but it gave me this, my market order. Yeah, sometimes I use market order. I just want to get in. And that's a little bit unfortunate that the price I got was a little bit too, not a very good price. Unfortunately. But there's an opportunity that Robinhood is going to give me something. Let's see if it goes. Let's see if it goes. Yeah, I'm more towards shorting this one instead of longing because of this one. And I tried it, and if he makes this one, I made this new low right here. So I'm thinking the direction is probably south. Yeah. Okay, it's not going, but that's okay. It's all right. So if I still want to look at other things, let me give myself some rope. A trading stop right there. That's a little bit too much. I just want a little bit above that VWAP right there. I think this is okay right there. That's reasonable. Right there. All right, let's go back to MRM. It's still not making any progress right there. Yeah. Well, I guess I look at this one wrong. You know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Yeah. But it's okay. I made more on these kind of stocks like this before. It's just that the momentum and the volume, the buyers, they're not there anymore. They're not pushing this higher, which is really unfortunate. Alrighty, let's look at some other stocks. Let's look at BB. Let's look at BB right now. Okay, BB is making a new high. Are you gonna make a new high right there? Are you making a new high? Do I want to chase this? Probably not. Probably not. Maybe when it goes back to a VWAP, I might long this one. Let's see if I'll be successful on this. And another thing I can put on a limit order for BlackBerry. And yeah, let's see if it goes. Alrighty. Here. Well, a little bit tired. Here it's not moving. Of course, this one moves really, really slow. But I have a feeling that it's going to go south more. Let's see. Let's go back to BlackBerry. Ooh. That's interesting. Okay, let me go long on this. There's a gap there? There's a gap? That's great. It's great news. There's a gap. If there's a gap, that means it's great. Yeah, I like trading gaps. I love it. I love gaps. Maybe I want to add a little bit more size to this. The gap is great. A limit order is something you tell that your order only gets triggered at that price you specified. You want a specific price. That's a limit order. So here we go. RNAZ is working. Very good. All right, let me see. Yeah, it's working. See, I told you guys. A decent size. Now I'm making something back, which is great. All right, which is great. And ear flat. Alrighty. All right, let's look at something else. Do we have something else with there? SoFi, it's still directionless. Whoa, here we go. What did I do? SoFi, I shorted it. See that? Dodged the bullet. Now the trend has been reversed. So it's okay. You know, small losses are always good. It's all right. Now let's see. Ear still. Veil. Nothing. RNS sort of coming down. That's normal. MRM. Whoa. Yeah, great. I got out. Yeah. You know, you're still losing much more. Well, I guess, you know, after it opened 100%, what do you expect, huh? And after this halt, you should be careful. Lessons learned. Cheaply, actually. That's okay. Let's look at Snap. Snap. Ha! A V-shaped. Snap. Price spiked down. But now it's trading back where it was. Let's go back to plug. I want a short plug now, guys. I want a short plug right now. Just because that crossover right there and sort of have this breakout. I want a short plug. Let's do it.
Order filled.
Trading stop right there. Let's see. Yeah, I think right there. Actually, it could be a little bit higher, right? It could be a little bit higher. That's a little bit more reasonable above that resistance right there. It's a little bit more reasonable. But it went down a little bit more. Let's go. A little bit more. Should I give it a little bit more? That's a little bit more realistic, but it's a lot of rope. But it's alright. It's position-wise, it's still okay. Position-wise, plug. Okay, BB is working. Great. BB is working. BB is working. I didn't have a trading stop on this. That makes me feel very unsafe. Yeah, this sounds more like a reasonable stop for me. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Hood is still trading sideways. I'm having enough positions. I think I want to wait a little bit, guys. Yeah. So I'm glad you guys could see, you know, tuition. You know, I've paid my tuition. Right, I'm making money. So, yeah, many years ago, I paid my tuition. Of course, you have to pay something to you have to make mistakes. People always make mistakes. It's just the way how the world works, you know? All right, let's go back to MRM again. Something that's always on my mind and I can't leave. Let's look at CCL. Oh, I'm getting it. I just like the volume and all of that. But there's a resistance right before that. There's a resistance right there. It might be bad. I didn't see it on my. Well, there's a resistance back in August right there, and it's exactly at this place. Yeah. What I'm trying to say is this. I'm not sure if you can see it. This is right there. You see that? Right there. This is. Let me see. Oh, I can't really show you actually. Well, in back in August, on August 27th, our resistance is just right here, where this price is 24.50, and that's the resistance. Actually, it might be a bad position, but I just like this. I just like this breakout, and I like the volume, and I think I should give it a shot. It might fill, it might not fill. Yep. Huh. This is going to be troublesome. Well, BB is working. That's great. BB is working, sort of. It depends on how far it goes, right? Plug is going to be as boring. Okay, a little bit, all right. Facebook. I knew it's going to coming back a little bit. I knew it. How is Qualcomm or SPY doing on today's rally? That's great. Let's look at SPY. Wow, everything is coming back up again. Beautiful SPY. Very beautiful. Let me see yesterday. That's how yesterday traded with SPY. Alrighty. Okay. Like I said, BB is still going at least. So my decent size BB. So I won't lose as much. That's great news. It's going a little bit, but it's a decent size with this one. Come on. Let me see. What about AMC? Ooh, VMC trading down. Are people going to push this down? Let's try. Huh. Meme stocks. I think it's gonna go. Alrighty, trailing stop just to make sure that I'm protected. VGSH, let's see, VGSH. Whoa, choppy. AAL, American Airlines, rallying, that's great. Bank of America. Well, everything, a lot of financials there opening up today. Uber. Huh. This, you know. Yeah, you learn from your mistakes. And it's trading. You can never be 100% right. You know what I mean? You can never be 100% right, no matter what. No matter what. So let's look at AMD right now. Alrighty. AMD. Did I long AMD before? Now I short AMD. Whoa. Great cover. Great cover, guys. Great cover. I think I shorted on VWAP right there, right? Yeah, great cover. Oh, that's a wrong direction. 1% right there. Yeah, that's a wrong direction right there. But I got out quickly, very quickly. It's a great save right there. Tilray. Wheat stock forming a base, forming a support right now. Tilray, it's not moving. And let's see, Snap. Yeah, did I say I want a long snap before? Snap before? Ha. Yeah. Alrighty, a little bit in the red zone, but still okay. Dell. CCL. Yes, decent size CCL. Working, guys. CCL is working. So yeah, I'm going closing that loss gap very closely now. Hopefully by the end of this trading session that I'll be in the green instead of being flat. Now let's, very good. Okay. CCL is great. What year am I out, I think? SPY. VGSH again. Oh, this one's the choppy one. Not very exciting. Oops. Sorry. Alrighty. Let's look at EEM. Oh, a lot of things are rallying today, guys. This looks like good news, huh? V. Apple? Oh, Apple, I might have one long Apple. This price is very, very attractive. Yeah, let me long Apple for a little bit. Let me long Apple a little bit. Huh. Let's see if Apple is going to rally. Maybe I'm not going to be able to finish Apple today, right? But guys, I think we have a chance. I seriously think we have a chance right here. Yeah, with Apple, that the rope should be enough, but it can't be like 1% or something like that, because this is the Apple, it's not something else. 40 bips seems about right. It's a huge stock though. That's that, yeah. Come on, keep on rallying. All right, guys, it looks like my CCL is working, my BB is working, and I lost decent size on MRM, but that's okay because my BB and CRM and the CCL, they're all decent sizes, so I'm all right. But let's see, we'll have to wait a little bit longer. But I'm going to concentrate on trading this a little bit more. So, and I want to end the stream right now. hopefully you guys had some good time, okay? And remember that don't trade with the money that's not yours, and always trade and invest responsibly, and always know the risk that you can take. Don't go crazy. Never go crazy. All right, guys. All right, so that's that. Let me send you back to my beautiful music, and remember that I trade here every Thursday. Come and watch me trade. All right.